morning.
Oh, yeah.
My name is Abby, and I'll be your host for this crossing.
Let's see what happens.
For those of you on the outside of the car, we will be switching sides once we have reached the far end.
So I think if you rode over on this side, you're running back on that side. So you get both. Do anything?
That's awesome. Look at both sides.
Yeah, there you go. This isn't, for some reason, this isn't really terrible.
To my right are the Niagara Rapids. These are Class 6 rapids, which are the highest they can go. The water coming towards us is an estimated 35 to 40 kilometers an hour, and the water flowing through the Niagara River is an estimated 170 milliliters per minute. Also to my right, down below on a stone platform, you might notice a large yellow circle. This is for emergency helicopters, just in case there is any trouble down below.
Like, you can really get it and see, like, it's, you know, it's doing its thing.
Looking downstream, you can notice a concrete wall. This is the Robert Moses Generating Station, located in Lewiston, New York.
Well, that's down. Like a summer this way. Yeah.
To my left, for those of you looking at the Whirlpool, you might notice that the water is moving in a counterclockwise direction. This is because the water capacity is at max during this time of day. At night, between 12 a.m. and 8 a.m., there's more water diverged to the power plants. Over the Whirlpool, about 20 feet. Once lowered, the water changes direction.
That's weird.
Usually, you can spot some hikers and fishermen down below. They get there by using nature trails, which are at your own risk. The Whirlpool in its center is 126 feet deep and 35 to 50 feet deep along its shores. So when people ask, can I swim in the Whirlpool? The answer is immediately no. As we approach the first half of our crossing, we will be switching sides.